guessed it, folks. It's Ligris live, uncut, uncensored, with another special episode of one of my famous rants. No, I didn't say rats. You guys should check your wax buildup in your ears. I mean rants. So it turns out one of my tail lights, the bulb needs to be replaced. And sure enough, I don't know if you guys remember the episode on my other car, the Saturn. But this one is a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. And boy, I tell you, I don't know what kind of stuff engineering is thinking about, but let me just show you how the old days are gone. So here we go into the back of the vehicle. And got a little light here so I can show you guys. Here's the whole light fixture. Now, it would have been easy if they would have had something like this where you just pull it out and change the light bulb, but no, man, no, they had to make it complicated. So these 3 screws you have to undo, and once it's undone, hold it carefully from the outside right here, because this whole thing has to come out. So here it is, folks. We undid the 1, 2, 3, and this is interesting. It's got an H&M. I don't know if they have a sale going on, but you guys may want to check it out. H&M. Anyhow, getting back to the business here of the video. So here is where the light bulb is, and we need to get that piece out. So this is how it's done. So here we go. We finally got it out, but I need to warn you people, for all you people that have manicures, and for all you ladies out there, if you're going to attempt this with your fancy nails, this puppy here will not come out. It's got a loop in there, so it's very, very tight when you try to push that light bulb out. So you got to be very, it's almost like you're in a heart surgery. You got to be very, very gentle. So remember, you've been warned. Okay, folks, so I just tested it, replaced the light bulb. Now it's a matter of putting this puppy back together. Let's see if I can show you. You got a line. Tricky part is right here. You got to make it slide in. See, these guys didn't make anything easy in this view. There you go. It's lined up, and it's a gentle push in. All right, folks, as you can see, it's back in its place. Now remember, you got to align it perfectly. Make sure it ties into the little groove it had. It has a little catcher. Once it's in there, it snaps in place. You got that factory original installation. And there you have it, folks. Installed like new. What this model has is, it has a little compartment. You get the wiring in there. Everything is secured like originally, and then boom, bada bing, bada boom. It's sealed. So on that note, I'll leave you with this message. Let's take the S out of our vocabulary. Stupid. Let's take it out of the vocabulary, and let's insert it with the new S. Super. Let's make North American auto manufacturing super again. All right? We need to, because it's become too complicated on simple tasks, and all they have to do is ask the consumer. Remember, ask what your customer wants, and you'll be surprised what you'll get. So, guys, I leave you with that. That's right. Let's get companies to innovate the right way. Without innovation, you become a dinosaur. When you become a dinosaur, it's simple. You die. So let's innovate correctly. And once again, take the S out of the current vocabulary for stupidity and replace it by super. Can you remember that? Super. Super innovative companies will succeed. And let's do it right. Listen to your customers. Rock and roll. Ligris, live, uncut, uncensored.